Welcome to Maritime Law Book Limited's National Reporter System demonstration video to Key Number Search. The key number search is a search by point of law connected to a key number that you click on to access cases that rule on that point of law. The key number also leads you to a specific topic in a headnote that briefly restates the court's ruling on the point of law. What you see now is a page of our key number system, which contains over 50,000 points of law classified under 151 titles and their headings and subheadings. This video will show you how to find the key number relevant to you. The search starts with our home page, which is also the page for a key number search. We have two ways to find the key number. The first is select an area of law. The second is search key numbers. Let's start with select an area of law. These are the 151 titles mentioned above. They range from actions to workers' compensation. Let's look at one title with an example. You represent the defendant in a damage action resulting from a motor vehicle accident, and you want to raise a defense based on the failure to wear a seatbelt. The relevant area of law is torts. From this point, there are again two ways to find the relevant key number. The first way is scrolling through the title until your eye catches seatbelt. That allows you to look at other points which could be relevant to you. And now we have located seatbelts. It is key number 346. Contributory negligence of driver or passenger, failure to use safety equipment, including seatbelts. The second way to find the relevant key number within this title is to use your browser's find function to seek the words seatbelt. Let's click now on number 346. We will now call this number torts. Topic 346. A list of cases appears. This hit list refers you to 188 cases which contain torts 346 in their headnote. To check all 188 cases to find one or more relevant to you might take too long. Hence the refined search feature. This feature allows you to search within the 188 cases for the case or cases that you need. For example, let's see what the Nova Scotia Court of Appeal says about torts topic 346. Enter Nova Scotia Court of Appeal in the left box. Click the search arrow. A list of 9 cases appears. They are either decisions of the Nova Scotia Court of Appeal or decisions mentioning the Nova Scotia Court of Appeal. Before selecting a case, note the links available on this page. At the top and at the bottom, you will find links to email and RSS notification of recent cases as they become available. These allow you to update your search. The bottom of this page also includes links to other pages of our website and to contact and registration information. Now let's select the case. We will go with the first one on the list, Fowler versus Schneider, with a headnote. When you click on the name of the case, you will be prompted to enter a username and password. As for me, I have already logged in. When you enter your username and password, the free search ends. If you prefer to continue with a free search, select Raw Law version of case, no headnote. Now we click on Fowler versus Schneider with a headnote. Let's take a look at the headnote's features, keeping in mind that a headnote helps you decide whether reading the decision that follows it is useful to you. First, the summary, which contains the procedural history of the case. Then, the point of law search, torts topic 346. Note the heading, the subheading, and the point of law. For the court's finding in this example, torts 346 refers you to torts topic 6630. In this case, the court's finding simultaneously covered both topics. Then, the navigation menu. It has an up and down arrow and 3 links. Clicking on an arrow locates the latest item that you searched. Query Within allows you to make a refined search within the 9 cases found in the hit list. Result List gets you back to the hit list of cases. Search gets you to the Cases and Raw Law search window of our website, which we will see in video 3. The headnote also carries links with a pop-up explanation. Let's start at the top. Download, email, print version, and note-up are self-explanatory. The citation link will direct you to cases where this case is judicially considered. Indexed as will direct you to other cases with the same indexed as name. The key number links direct you to all other cases in our databases which have used that specific key number. The cases noticed links direct you to A, the citation history of the case, and B, the report of the case in our system. Finally, at the bottom of the decision, you will find again links to navigate our website and the contact information and the registration information. While we are at the bottom, let's click on Key Numbers for the second way to find the key number, a search by means of descriptive words. The Key Numbers search page appears. Go to Search Key Numbers. Enter failure, space, /10, / space, seatbelt, and the word belt with an asterisk. This is a Boolean search of all the 151 titles of our key number system for a key number containing the words seatbelt within 10 words of the word failure. The asterisk indicates that every word beginning with belt, such as belts, will be searched. More on Boolean search in video 3, Cases and Raw Law search. Now we click Search, and a hit list of titles appears. Since in our example, we are looking for cases pronouncing on a defense based on the failure to wear a seatbelt, the title to click would be torts. However, if your case also raises the issue of offenses for failure to wear a seatbelt, then click Motor Vehicles. Let's see what we find. Note that the navigation menu appears in this type of search. Again, you could scroll through the title to find seatbelt. Here, we will click on the down arrow in the navigation menu. This leads to number 7442. If this is relevant, click on the number. Now, let's go back to the result list. We now click Torts, and then the down arrow on the navigation menu until the desired key number is found. In our case, that would be 346. Then, as above, click on the relevant number, and the hit list of cases appears. This concludes Video 2 Key Number Search. We thank you for your attention.